Hi guys, it's another day, very early in the morning. I'm headed to work, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's Vlogmas 2. Yeah, Vlogmas. I'm saying today is Vlogmas day 2, and I'm doing this, guys. I didn't imagine if I can do it. I know yesterday's videos went up today, but today video, hopefully it will go today. So guys, I'm taking you to site. Let's go see what I'm doing on the site, on the ground. Yeah guys, this place is so beautiful. Like the car stretch here, I love it. See these flowers, like it's like a nice place. Sijakumbuka kuambia kitu guys, this is my second time coming to this site, and nilikuwa nimepitia njia. I was supposed to be here by 8. Right now it's around 8:20. It's okay, it's alright. So guys, I'll see you when I get to the site, so as we can do 1, 2, 3 stars. It's raining and I'm already outside. This side is so beautiful. So this is how the switch looks like. So we go in and open. Then on this point, we'll see live, neutral, then there's A and B, where the house go. Yeah, that's how the smart switch looks, and this is how it looks. So here is the mounted one, and the walls just switch on, switch off, switch on, and switch off. I'm done with today's job. So guys, hope you've learned something. Yeah, so see you on the next Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas day 2. So I've spent the whole day with you guys. You've seen where I was. So make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and see you.